Yo, what's up, people? This your boy Pete Ross back in the building. And if you're looking for a dope VPN, check out NordVPN plus anti-malware protection, okay? I'll leave my affiliate link down in the description for y'all to check that out. Enjoy threat protection, block trackers, and malware. Get 2 years of reliable VPN service for $3.29 a month. Get into it, y'all. Peace.
Well, would you look at this? Watches of Switzerland. Breitling, coming soon to Kenwood Town Center.
Yo, what's up, people? This your boy Pete Ross, and we are back in the building with another watch review. And right now we are talking about the Epos Verso 3435. All right, the Verso is a homage watch to the Epos Hundertwasser pocket watch, which took the well-known Australian painter Hundertwasser more than 7 years to complete. The unique masterpiece subsequently has been manufactured by Epos as a limited edition in 1933 and is held in a typical Hundertwasser design. The watch sports 2 pair of hands on the back and on the front side. True to philosophy of its artist, the 2 pair of hands run reversed, as to show the paradox of time. Epos engineers and designers derived the idea of showing the time at the movement's back to the Epos 3435 Verso, allowing the timepiece to be used as an everyday watch. Epos engineers had to find a way of reversing the movement and the mechanism. Now the movement, as you can see it through the semi-skeletonized dial. You know what I mean? It is a Unitas 6497 Epos modification. Now the Unitas movement that's in here, again, the caliber 6497, is an ETA movement and a Swiss-made mechanical wound movement with 17 joules. This movement is often confused with the ETA/Unitas 6498. This is one of the most popular hand-wound mechanical movements in the watch industry. The 6497 is also referred to as a pocket watch movement because of the origin of the design. Thanks to its larger diameter, the 6497 is often found in Flieger-style pilot watches. The 6497 is a non-hacking caliber, but there are brands that have heavily modified the 6497 movements and added hacking mechanisms. Again, this is a hand-wound movement with the semi-skeleton open heart, and it has a special function as a pulsometer. Now, if you look at the lug holes on the side of the case right here, they are actually screw in, you know what I mean, which leaves zero margin for error. You know, I think this is great when watches do stuff like this. Now, the case is stainless steel with a diameter of 43.5 millimeters, thickness of 11 millimeters, and it has 20 millimeter lug holes. Now, when it comes to what I was talking about with the pulsometer, okay, the pulsometer, this watch is able to read your pulse as you wear the watch. You know what I mean? So you can wear the watch all day, you know what I'm saying? You can get your heart rate and all that, which I think is pretty cool. Crystal is a scratch resistant sapphire with the case back that's stainless, water resistance 518M. As far as the dial goes, the color is black with the sunray execution. Hour markers are index engraved. Now, the strap is genuine leather, which is probably one of my only downfalls with this watch. I would rather have seen something like maybe some gator, you know what I mean, or maybe an ostrich, something to match the elegance of this watch, okay? And it also has a buckle that's embossed with Epos on it. And here it is on the wrist, fly as hell, you know what I mean? I like the way the light plays off of that sapphire crystal, and it has presence. You know what I mean? I like the presence that it have on my 7¼ inch wrist. Okay, here it is. You know what I mean? At first I kind of thought like maybe it's set up a little bit too high on the wrist, but after wearing it, I have to totally disagree with it. I think at 43.5 millimeters, this is probably right now as high as I would go. You know what I mean? But the watch definitely have presence. Again, my only reserve is that leather strap, you know, and I think they could have done a lot more better with that. But here this guy go. Look at this guy. He is so handsome. And he fly. Look how I sit up on the wrist. Look how I sit up on the wrist. Yo, this watch is definitely one for the books, and I've enjoyed it. Yo, and my question to y'all is, what do y'all think about it? You know what I mean? So this your boy P. Ross, and we're about to get up out of here. Please make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and we out. Peace.